Sure did, Bryce, and I hope everyone else had a great weekend. And yes, the AC is going to be a necessity today because it is going to be hot, not only here in the Delta, but across much of the country. It's already 82 in St. Louis, 81 in Dallas, 80 here in Greenville. No rain to worry with. We still have high pressure dominating much of our viewing area, and there's some showers here and there to our north, but it's pretty quiet across Mississippi. A couple of showers offshore, but overall, really a nice start to the day. Notice these orange shaded areas from Little Rock down to Greenville all the way back into Tupelo. Heat advisories, yes, they have returned, which means heat index values over 105 expected for all of these areas shaded in orange. That includes all of northern Mississippi and most of our viewing areas. So yeah, it's going to be hot today. And as we zoom in on that, these are in effect until 6 or 7, depending on where you're at, from Batesville all the way down to Belzona into southeastern Arkansas. So it is going to be a very hot August day. And we had that brief cool down last week, and I said it wouldn't last long. And well, here's the heat. As for Greenville, it's 80 degrees. Dew points in the mid 70s, so plenty of humidity to go along with this early morning heat. 80 in Greenwood as well, and we're pretty much near 80 about everywhere. In fact, Tupelo already at 84, 77 in Tunica and Oxford, 75 down in Kosciuszko, and 81 in Monticello. So again, a lot of early morning heat, and we're going to continue to see these temperatures rise. By 10 or 11, we'll already be in the 90s, and 2 o'clock we're looking at mid 90s. We're really not anticipating any shower activity today. Could be a couple of showers into eastern Mississippi, but overall it is going to be dry, sunny. We'll see a couple of those cumulus clouds, but I really don't think they're going to amount to too much in the way of rain. Overnight temperatures back into the middle 70s, and as we go into tomorrow morning, it's going to be another quick warm up into the 90s by lunchtime, and then we'll see some of these pop-up showers and thunderstorms returning to the forecast. Now the best chance is going to be over eastern Arkansas back into Little Rock. However, some of those pop-up storms will develop here in the Delta, which means brief heavy downpours, and the most important part, will cool down a little bit. So not everyone's going to see rain tomorrow, but there will be that chance, and even higher chances of rain as we head into the middle of the week and this weekend. So again, you'll see rain at least one of the next couple of days. It just depends on exactly where those showers and thunderstorms develop. And over the next 6 to 10 days, we actually have a pretty good chance of seeing some above average rainfall for our entire coverage area and much of the southeast. So, you know, we haven't had a ton of rain so far this month. Actually, we haven't had any measurable rain in Greenville or Greenwood just yet, but that is likely to change sometime this week. As for today, though, it looks like we're just going to keep that sun in the forecast. Highs near 97. Heat index values, though, as high as 108 degrees. And take a look at this. It's going to feel like 105 to 106 to even higher across much of the state of Mississippi, all the way down into the South Delta. We'll finally get a little bit of relief, but still going to feel like it's in the 90s as we head into the 10 and 11 o'clock hours. So again, just a lot of heat, a lot of humidity. We're used to it here in Mississippi, but still, it's very uncomfortable. As for tonight, lows of 74, mostly clear and mild. As for tomorrow, 96 degrees, heat index values as high as 107. So heat advisories likely will be issued again tomorrow. And there is going to be the chance of some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Again, the coverage isn't going to be very high, but some of us will get wet tomorrow, which will help to cool us down. Rain chances will continue to increase throughout the middle of the week. Temperatures holding steady in the mid 90s, overnight lows back into the mid 70s. So, you know, Bryce, last week when we had those temperatures in the 60s, we didn't know how good we had it because it is sticky this week.